Can we learn German with just Kaffee and bitte? Oder do we need hard grammar first? Let's find out. Welcome to our debate for German A1 beginners. Today we ask, vocabulary or grammar first? And forget-ye not, visit www.falowen.app. Yes, falowen.app is the perfect place to learn German, powered by the Learn Language Education Academy. Now, let's take some calls. From Munich, we have Mark.
Hallo Paul. Also, ich finde basic vocabulary ist viel besser. Like Hallo, wie geht's und Kaffee bitte. Das ist super easy, you know? You don't need grammar first. Ein Kaffee ist ein Kaffee, ja?
Yeah, that's right. Kaffee bitte is very useful. But let's hear the other side. Calling from Zurich, we have Sarah.
Nein, sorry, Mark, aber look, only learning words is like not good. Wir brauchen Grammatik. Without grammar, you can't build, a real sentence. Wie sagt man? Structure. Sentence structure ist alles.
Aber Sarah, Grammatik ist so schwer for beginners. Simple words like Wasser, Danke oder Tee bitte are like perfect. Interactive listening practice is what we need, not boring charts.
Yeah, okay. Maybe basic words are fine for day one, but you need verbs fast. Ich trinke Wasser, not just Wasser. You have to, connect the words.
A good debate. A great debate. Kaffee bitte versus Ich trinke Kaffee. The beauty of learning A1 German is that we can combine both. Falowen offers bite-sized lessons with easy vocabulary and simple grammar. You get the best of both worlds. Danke an meine Gäste, thank you Mark and Sarah. Go to www.falowen.app, powered by Learn Language Education Academy, to start your German journey today. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen.